In this video, we will know about cities and its nicknames. Jaipur, nicknamed Pink City in Rajasthan. Pochampally, nicknamed Silk City of India in Telangana. Jodhpur, nicknamed Blue City and Sun City in Rajasthan. Surat, nicknamed Diamond City of India in Gujarat. Lucknow, nicknamed City of Nawabs in Uttar Pradesh. Muzaffarpur, nicknamed Land of Lychee, Sweet City in Bihar. Kanpur, nicknamed Leather City of the World in Uttar Pradesh. Pune, nicknamed Deccan Queen in Maharashtra. Jangaon, nicknamed Banana City in Maharashtra. Yavatmal, nicknamed Cotton City in Maharashtra. Bangalore, nicknamed Space City, Garden City, Silicon Valley of India, Science City in Karnataka. Mangalore, nicknamed Rome of East, Cradle of Indian Banking in Karnataka. Coorg, nicknamed Scotland of India in Karnataka. Asansol, nicknamed City of Black Diamond in West Bengal. Vishakhapatnam, nicknamed City of Destiny, Goa of the East in Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad, nicknamed City of Pearls, High-Tech City in Telangana. Kochi, nicknamed Queen of Arabian Sea in Kerala. Kozhikode, nicknamed City of Spices in Kerala. Kollam, nicknamed Cashew Capital of India in Kerala. Madurai, nicknamed City of Festivals, Athens of East in Tamil Nadu. Chennai, nicknamed Detroit of Asia, Gateway of South India in Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore, nicknamed Manchester of South India in Tamil Nadu. Pondicherry, nicknamed Paris of the East in Puducherry. Kashmir, nicknamed Switzerland of India in Jammu and Kashmir. Jamshedpur, nicknamed Steel City of India and Pittsburgh of India in Jharkhand. Bhubaneswar, nicknamed Temple City of India in Odisha. Cuttack, nicknamed Silver City in Odisha. Shillong, nicknamed Scotland of East in Meghalaya. Secunderabad, nicknamed Twin City in Telangana. Jaisalmer, nicknamed Golden City in Rajasthan. Mysore, nicknamed Sandalwood City in Karnataka. Ahmedabad, nicknamed Manchester of India, Boston of India, India's first World Heritage City in Gujarat. Thrissur, nicknamed Gold Capital of India in Kerala. City of Lake is nicknamed for Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh and Udaipur in Rajasthan. Mumbai, nicknamed City of Seven Islands, Gateway of India and Financial Capital of India in Maharashtra. Nagpur, nicknamed Orange City in Maharashtra. Kolkata, nicknamed City of Joy, City of Palace in West Bengal. Nasik, nicknamed Wine Capital of India in Maharashtra.